Ciao, this is Rosa from My Italian Lifestyle, and today we're back at Farmers from Italy kitchen. Today's recipe is Boscaiola mushroom sauce. Of course, what you need is Viaggio extra virgin olive oil. Then we have Viaggio rigatoni. Then we're going to use Viaggio whole peeled tomatoes, half a cup of onions, half a pound of mushrooms that you're going to cut, half a cup of oil, and some parsley, and of course some salt. First add Viaggio extra virgin olive oil. Then add the onions. Once the onions turn gold, add the mushrooms. Just be careful because they cook very quickly. Add a little bit of water. Then add the whole peeled tomatoes of Viaggio. You can crush them beforehand. Add some salt and some parsley. Stir. So now we're going to put the pasta di rigatoni, Viaggio rigatoni, in the pot. The cooking time should be like 10 minutes, but I like very al dente. I would suggest 5 to 6 because then you can simmer the whole pasta into the sauce. You can always add some peperoncino to make it spicy. If you liked your recipe, please check our social medias, and if you want to know more about the Farmers from Italy products, please check out our website www.farmersfromitaly.com. Grazie e arrivederci!